Hello everyone, and I am Slesha Gupta, and you are most welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the logical operators in Python. So, basically, there are three logical operators in Python, that is AND, OR, and NOT. So, here I will be taking an example and I'll be explaining you about all three of them in short and in a very easy manner. So let's take a variable x whose value is 90 and a variable y whose value is 20. Now we'll be writing an if statement and we'll be specifying the condition as if x is equals to 90 equals 90. That means it's strictly equals to 90 and y is equals 20. Then you need to print. I'll be explaining this code, so if you're not able to understand it, there's no problem. Getting executed. Else we'll be printing not executed. And we'll be saving it. Now here what we have done, we have written an if statement in which we have told that if the value of x is equals to 90 and the value of y is equals to 20, if both the conditions are true, then you need to print executed, else you will print not executed. So let's check it out. So here okay, let's delete it, it might be confusing. Yeah, so here you can see it shows executed. That means that both the conditions are true. That's the reason why it has been printed. Now, if instead of AND, so the use of AND operator is that if both the conditions on the RHS and on the LHS, both sides are true, then only it will get printed, it will get executed. That's what we talk about AND operator. Then if we talk about the OR operator, so in all what happens is uh, it's not essential that both the conditions should be true. If only one of them is also true, it will work well. That means that here if instead of 90 we would have written 80, then also it will be executed. Yeah, so it has got executed. But here both the conditions here one of the conditions should be true, that is essential. If you will be writing that both the conditions are false, then it will not get executed. Like here you can see it has come not executed. Now last but not the least, we have one more logical operator, that is not. So what happens is in not operator, if the condition like here the value of y is not 10, so it will turn to true, like it is just the opposite. Now if you will run it, it will be executed because actually the value of y is not 10, so it gets to true. But if you will write the correct value, that means that the value of if we talk in simple English, here we are telling that if the value of y is not 20, then it should get executed, but the value of y is 20, so it will not be getting executed. Here as you can see, it has come not executed. So that's what we have, the three logical operators in Python, and, or, and not. I hope that in this video you might have got a clear understanding of all three of them, that in AND operator both conditions should be true, in OR only one condition should be true, and in NOT none of the conditions must be true. That's what we have about these three operators in logical operators in Python. I hope that this video was helpful, and thanks a lot for watching.